Okay, let's see week 10 second question. Okay, you have to draw this solid model in 3D workspace. Change it to drafting annotation to 3D model and top to SE isometric. Here also you have to use only these primitives. Okay, now we can draw this lower base first. Okay, what is the length? 70 and the width also 70, height as 20, 40, 20, total 80. So start with the box, click inside, select length from the command bar and enter 70, and this one is width is 70, height 80. Now the lower base is drawn, and now you can draw this part. First we can draw a square box with a width of 20, and above that we can draw the cylinder, and then you can union that one. Okay, so what is the height of that box without the cylinder? That is 80 minus 120. 80 minus 120, 40. Okay, the distance is 40 from the cylinder to here. Okay, go to again box. Before that, change it to 2D wireframe. 2D wireframe. Click. What is this length? That is 70. And the width is 20. Height is 40. Okay. Above this, you have to draw the cylinder and you have to union that one. Before that, you have to move this box and place it to here with respect to this corner. Okay, now above this only we have to draw this cylinder. So for that we have to go to the front view, that is front view. From here if you look now, you can draw the cylinder above this. So go to front view. Above this you have to draw the cylinder. So select the cylinder and click in the midpoint. And what is the diameter? It is given radius as 35. So diameter is 70. Now enter radius as 35. 35. Once you press 35, click enter. And again it will ask for the length. That is this distance. It will ask. What is this distance? 20. Okay. Now again go to front view. You have to draw the small cylinder and you have to subtract it. Okay, what is the diameter? 35. Small cylinder diameter is 35. Again go to cylinder, select in the midpoint and enter radius as 17.5 and the distance is 20. Okay, now it is moved in some distance. See, I am using shift and the scroll button to custom my view so that I can see the view from any view. I can see it. Okay, so select the small cylinder and move with respect to this point to and this center point. Okay, now it is placed correctly. Okay, you can check in shaded view also. Okay, now we can subtract this. Before subtracting, this cylinder and this box should be unioned. So go to union, select the cylinder and box, enter. Now it is done in single object, and then you have to subtract this part, bigger object, enter, and removable object, enter. Now this part is done, and then we have to remove a small box from here, that is with the distance of 45, with the height of 40, and the length is 70. Okay, change it to 2D wireframe, SE isometric, go to box, click here, length from the command bar. What is this distance? Length 70. See, now it is already in front view, so go to top view, again now change it to SE isometric. Okay, then box, click inside, length. What is this distance? Length, sorry, 70. This one has 45, height as 40. Now move and place with respect to this corner and this corner. Okay, now it is moved in a distance of 20 from the bottom. Okay, now select the object, go to move, click here, and what is the height? 20. Once you've done, you have to subtract it. Okay, go to subtract, select the bigger object, enter, and then removable object, enter. Okay, now last thing is you have to remove the cylinder part over here. Okay, so that we can draw the full cylinder and place it over here and subtract it. Okay, what is the diameter? Radius, it is given as 20. Okay, change it to 2D wireframe, SE isometric, cylinder, select somewhere here and enter 20 radius, height as 80. Now move and place the cylinder in the center of the box at back side here. Go to shader and check whether it is placed correctly. Okay, now subtract it. Select the bigger object, enter, and then second part as removable object, enter. Now it is done. Now we have to union this part and this part. Go to union, select this part and this part, enter. Now week 10 second question completed.